Messages for the following counties in South Carolina: Florence, Marion, and Williamsburg. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, western Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina until 1 a.m. At 9:25 p.m., Doppler radar and automated wind gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 3 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Florence, Lake City, King Street, Timmonsville, Johnsonville, Pamplico, Quincy, Hemingway, Keys, Brownfield, Henna, New Hope, Hyman, Hebron, Indiantown, Effingham, Evergreen, Kingsburg, Poston, and Nesmith. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.